Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Okemute. If it's your first time here, hello, thank you for joining the family. So today we're going to be creating this look that I have right here, and if this is something you're interested in watching me create, then you definitely want to keep watching. I know that I've said this before and I always have it written in my description box. I talk really fast and I'm actually trying to work on it, so let's see how this goes today. I intend to be calm, talk nicely so you guys can hear me and all of that good stuff, but hopefully this will last. I hope I'll be able to talk like slowly and not as fast as I usually talk. So yeah, let's see how that goes today. So first off, I'm going to be priming with this, my primer from NYX Cosmetics. So how are you guys doing? What's going on? What's the new thing going on in you guys? I say you guys is hey yeah, Okemute. Are you guys feeling Christmassy yet? Are you guys getting the Christmas feeling yet? I don't know. I feel like I want to have a Christmas tree, and then I think about it again. I'm like, nah. With this Olana that's already crawling everywhere, I'm not sure I will have the strength to shout, leave this place, leave that place. I'm not sure. So I'm going to be going in with my foundation from Maybelline in the shade Deep Bronze. So I saw something on somebody's timeline on somebody's Insta story yesterday, sorry. And you know, I said I was going to talk about it today. That just gave me like an inspiration of what to talk about today while doing my makeup, because I realized that you people, I tend to have more views when I'm talking about something or than when I'm just doing the makeup, and I don't know why. I don't know, maybe you guys like hearing me talk, even though I talk like a typewriter. But I've noticed that anyways, that when I talk in my videos, I tend to have more views than when I do not talk. So I'm just going to be talking about something that I saw on somebody's Insta story yesterday. So this person is a creative, and this person was just complaining about people not supporting her, like people that she expects to support her, like her friends. And this is not actually the first person that I'm seeing talking about something like that, saying, oh, that you expect people that you expect to support you, your friends, you don't repost my work, you don't do this, yada. Yeah. In this life, I've come to realize that, you see, outsiders will support you. People that do not know you personally will root for you, will support you more than people that know you personally. I've just come to that conclusion. This person that I was watching the Insta stories was just ranting, and I could understand her to an extent when she was complaining about how much work she puts into her craft, and nobody seems to be supporting, or she doesn't get the support that she thinks she deserves, or basically she was just complaining about people her not getting views and likes and all of that. To an extent, I can understand, because it hurts when you put like your all into something and then you're not getting like good responses, or you're not getting fast responses, or basically not just getting the response that you were expecting. I can understand. But where this person now said something that I didn't like was when she now said, I'm doing this for you guys, I'm filming for you guys, I wake up in the midnight to film for you guys, I do this for you guys, and the least that you guys can do is to appreciate what I'm doing for you guys. She kept insisting on that, you guys, because I'm like, okay, wait, sister. First off, you are not doing this for you guys. You are doing it for yourself before you do it for anybody. I hate it when people make it seem, or let me not use the word hate. I do not like it when people make it seem like, oh, they filming like you. I don't know how to explain. How do I put it in words now that I'm not misquoted? In the first place, nobody asked you to start filming, or nobody asked you to be a creative. It is you started doing it because you like it, okay? Don't make it bring you down when you feel like your content is not getting as much audience as you want it to get. Don't make it bring you down. Let it just, I know it can get to you sometimes, but snap out of it real quick. Because if you keep insulting people because you feel like, I know your content is not getting the recognition that it deserves, even the ones that are now watching you, that used to watch you before, it kind of seems insultive to them. If you keep sounding the way that she sounded, it will seem like insultive to them, or like you were feeling entitled, like, oh, you're supposed to be watching my content because I'm putting all my time and effort into it. You're supposed to. We're not supposed to. It's our data that we're using at the end of the day. I'm going to go in with my concealer from Juvia's place in the shade 10. The point that she raised that I could relate to was that friends and family and those that you expect to support you are the ones that do not support you. And see, and that one, It doesn't even surprise me anymore. I think that one literally happens to everybody, most especially in the beginning when it comes to being a creative. And see, family members or those your friends that you expect that when you're starting off, oh, they will be there for you, they will repost your works, they will do this so that people can follow you. What I've come to realize in this life is that if you are waiting for people to validate your dreams, you will not do anything. See, the one that you're waiting for your family members or somebody to root for you, or somebody to support you, or to give you ginger, or your friends or whoever it is to ginger you, to hype you, and you're waiting for that, you might just get disappointed. So you see, the best thing is, if you feel like this thing is for you, go for it. Even if nobody is clapping for you yet, continue doing it. When the time comes, all those people that did not clap for you in the beginning, they will clap for you. So I'm going to go in with my bronzer from Covergirl. People, most especially friends or whoever it is, or family sometimes, they don't tend to believe in that dream when you just start. Not like they don't believe, but they will not hype you up. That's just it. Some of them, they will not hype you up, and you will see them on other people's posts, other creatives. They will be there reposting their works. People that don't know them, that don't know anything about them, they'll be there reposting, hyping those ones up, commenting, leaving nice comments and all of that. And while you that they know personally, they probably will not even do any of that. And to be honest, I think it's just see finish. Maybe because they know you, they know your life history, you know, they're like, it's not Okemute. Okemute. Who does not know Okemute? So they don't see a need to do that for you. But for people that they do not know, oh, they feel a need to comment on that day and to do all of that. And that's okay. See, don't wait for anybody to hype you. If people are not hyping, if your people are not hyping, if people that are supposed to be gingering you are not gingering, they are not reposting your work, ginger yourself, post your thing by yourself. Okay? When the time comes and when you start doing numbers, you're going to come back and be saying, I know, Okemute, I know her very well now. Is it not this person? Why would I know? And that time, you can do shakara. So please, do not wait for people to validate your dreams. I'm going to go in with my Jaclyn Hill and Morphe palette. Do not judge me. I know that this palette is dirty, but a little, do not judge me. So as I was saying, you see those that do not know you will support you more than those that know you. And you see those ones that have never reposted your works, those your friends or those family members or whoever that have never for once reposted you. They're the ones that are quick to ask for favors. They're the ones that are saying, can you just help me post this flyer on your Insta story? I'm having a sales and I need them people. I need it to be out there. Can you help me post this flyer? And then when you go, oh, I don't post stuff for free, even Insta story I charge. For what? Just for 24 hours. And they will now go about saying, oh, Okemute is now proud. Though. How many followers do you even have safe? And I'm just even begging to help me to just post something on your Insta story and you are charging me for it. For what? Is it not just Insta story? Is Instagram followers money? That's when they will know that Instagram followers is not money. Same people have never posted any of your works. These same people, they've never done anything for you for free when it comes to your brand. But they will say, is it not just Instagram followers? This person is too proud though. For what? Is the Instagram followers going to take it to heaven? How are the Instagram followers going to do for you? But you, have you ever carried those your hand to post on your Insta story that you see one of my videos that you like? To even comment self is a problem. Some of them. To even comment, leave a nice comment for you. It's a problem. But when they need somebody to do free adverts, this person has plenty followers now, she'll be able to help me. And when you now say no, you become a bad person. But me, I don't even care. If you like, what about say this Okemute is very stingy, or Instagram followers? I don't care. You're gonna pay for it. Have you ever reposted my works? No. Have you ever done anything for me when it comes to my brand? No. Do you leave nice comments? Even if you leave nice comments, I'm okay. Do you leave nice comments? Probably once in a while. So why do you expect me to do things for you for free when you never? And those people is so annoying. The stupid sense of entitlement, like they expect you to repost for them. Like if you've never hyped your friend's business, or you've never reposted for your friend, or you've never done anything for your friend that has a business, why should you feel like you can come and meet that same person and ask the person to repost for you? I don't know how people think. I'll never do that though. If I've never reposted your works, I don't even know how to do it. How you can meet somebody that you've never done anything for? Maybe the person is into the same business that you are, or let's even say the person is even in the same line of business as you. Let's just say the person has a business and you've never reposted the person on your page. You've never done anything like that for the person. Why should you feel like you can go and meet the person and ask the person to repost for you? Why? and you say, I'm only asking for a favor. You're only asking for a favor. Have you ever given that favor to that person? Let me do this eyeshadow, because if I keep staying here, we're not going to move from this place. So let me be done with my eyeshadow. I'm going to be using a powder as my eyeshadow today. I'm going to go in with my Maybelline powder. I'm going to move on to line my eyes with my Maybelline eyeliner. So yeah, as I was saying, you'll be surprised that those ones are the ones that are quick to ask for favors. And when you do not grant the favor, you are now the bad person in the picture. People that don't know you will pay for your services, but those that know you, they have this sense of entitlement, like, I know this person, so she should be able to do it for me for free. Why? Why should I be able to do it for you for free? Do not feel bad for charging for your services, please. Even if they're your family members, if they've never supported you in any way, even if they're your closest friends and they've never supported you in any way, charge for your services. There's no free thing anyway, because those same people, if they have a store that they are selling clothes or whatever it is that you're selling, now you walk into the store and you're like, Shebi, I'm your friend, now give me this thing for free. They will look at you like, are you okay? So why shouldn't you be able to charge for your services? So please, charge, even family members, charge them for your services. There's this thing that my mom used to do, and I appreciate it till date. Even if my mom is not going to pay you like your full fee for makeup, she will always make sure that she gives you something, just for you to know that, oh, she appreciates like your work. Then I wasn't even a makeup artist though. I was just like, I liked makeup, and if my mom had like an event to go, she could say, oh, you or your sister should do my makeup for me. Anyone, we're always rushing to do it. Why? Because we know that the person that does it obviously gets a tip. She might not pay you like the full price, but she will definitely make sure she pays you something. And that's how it's supposed to be. Even friends, even family, if you guys want, if they want a service rendered, you might give them a discount, but always make sure that you collect your money. I'm going to move on to use these lashes from Lashes by Lena in the style Abena. This is what it looks like. Lashes are very long. I hope they come out nice. I don't know why that I've been feeling short lashes lately. I don't know why. Me that used to like extra dramatic lashes. My camera went off when I was doing my under eye. I just applied the NYX Jumbo Pencil in milk, and I smoked that out with a black eyeshadow, and that's pretty much it. I'm going to go in with this Colorpop powder, and I'm just going to use that to blend everything. I'm going in with my Melanie highlighter. Go in with my blush from Karity Beauty. This brand actually sent me a couple of stuffs when I was pregnant, and I never really got to use them. But anyways, we're going to use that today. I think I'm going to go in with this shade right here. I'm going to be using this Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink in the shade Pioneer. Look who wore red lips and is not glossing it today. Like, it feels so weird wearing red lips and matte lips at the same time. I can't remember the last time I wore matte lips. I'm always wanting to gloss my lips. But anyways, back to the point. So every creative out there, please do not feel bad anytime you feel like you are not getting numbers, or you're not seeing views or likes or whatever it is. Your audience are not paying attention to your content as much as you would like. I know I'm not trying to sound like I know it all, because of course I do not know it all. It gets to me sometimes too when I create content and it's not getting as much views and all of that. Please do not give up. To everybody that is thinking of giving up, like, okay, it's not worth it anymore, remember why you started in the first place. Remember when you started, you probably were not even really bothered about the views or about how many people were going to watch you. You just started because that was what you loved to do. And I know it can get frustrating when it seems like you're not growing, or you're just at one point, but just remember why you started and keep pushing. You never know the video that will put you out there, you know. And to friends and families of creative, please repost their work sometime. Please encourage them. If they are doing good, let them know that they are doing good. Like, reach out to them sometimes, say, hey, I see you, what's good. Post for them. Doesn't take anything from you. If your friend is into any business or anything, on any day you can just decide to post for them, or just appreciate their content basically. And to the viewers too, please like their content. It's not going to take anything from you. Drop nice comments. If you have faves that you like seeing, that you like watching, Drop nice comments, hype them up, let them know all those things. Let us know that, oh, you're appreciating like the content and the work that we put into our craft. So please reach out to your faves, hype your faves up, family members, friends of content creators, hype your own up. It's not only people that you don't know that you go and be dropping love emoji, be dropping nonsense comment there, and they probably won't even reply you. Hype your faves up, hype your own people too up. Let them know that you see them, you see what they're doing, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Whoever it is out there that is about giving up, please do not give up. It will get better. I know it's crazy out there. There are a lot of content creators. We are all trying to be, we're all trying to just find our own space, you know, and yeah, just keep creating. You never know what will put you out there. That's pretty much all I had to say. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, share, drop nice comments, subscribe to my channel. Help me, help my life, help my ministry, help me, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next one. Bye.